Welcome to the second part of the EA Autofill walkthrough. In the first part of this walkthrough, we looked at the select knowledge base function and how that can help you get the best responses to your forms. However, in this part, we're going to look at AI agent instructions. If we go over to autofill and we autofill our form again, and click Start on the AI agent instructions module, we'll be met with two possible paths. We can either write our own instructions, or we can use the templates made by EA senior analysts such as ourselves. So, let's browse templates. Here you will see all of the possible templates that you can select from. However, to make this easier, you can either search, or you can use these buttons at the top to refine the topic that you're searching for. So let's go for RFI and RFP. And we'll select this, and you will see that these different orange parts are very easy to fill in. These are placeholders. So I am filling in an RFP response, prepared by ABC company. Oops. In order to assess my aptitude. This is a template, and what you can do with this is you can add and remove anything you might like. So for example, you might have additional context of answers should not exceed 100 words. And you'll notice that when all of the orange placeholders are gone, we can save this. You also have the possibility to save as template. If you have written this and it's absolutely perfect to be used in the future, you can save it as template, and when you browse the templates, you'll be able to see it. So let's click save. And as we see again, that green tick is back. If you have any issues, click get help and we'll be more than happy to do so.